Have you ever memorized a PTE essay template, walked into the exam feeling confident, and then heard someone say, "Templates don't work anymore"? That single sentence has scared thousands of students. But here's the truth. A good template still works in 2026. The problem isn't the template, it's how students use it. In this video, I'll show you a proven essay template, explain why it still works, and give you simple hacks to score higher. The PTE exam doesn't give you marks just because you use a template. It also doesn't punish you simply because you use one. The system is looking for structure, grammar, vocabulary, spelling, and coherence. A template just helps you organize your ideas quickly. Think about it this way. Imagine you're building a house. A template is the blueprint. The quality of the house still depends on the materials you use. If your ideas are good, the template becomes your best friend. Start with your introduction. The topic of blank has become increasingly important in today's society. This essay will discuss both perspectives. For your first body paragraph, say, on one hand, many people believe that blank because blank. For example, blank. Then the second. On the other hand, others argue that blank due to several reasons. For instance, blank. Finally, in conclusion, both viewpoints have valid arguments. I believe that blank because it provides greater long-term benefits. Now, let's use a real example. Suppose the essay question is, should universities provide free education? A weak response is too simple, but listen to how the template balances ideas and adds professional vocabulary. Here is a hack. Never spend more than 3 minutes planning your essay. Many students panic because they waste too much time thinking. Use examples that are simple and believable. You don't need to mention famous scientists or complicated research. Spend the final 2 minutes checking spelling. One missing letter in words like government can cost you valuable marks. Keep your ideas simple, practice every day, and don't panic. That's how you turn preparation into a higher PTE score.